welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use TinkerCad and make 3D designs. You can make 3D designs with Arduino, or you can make it with whatever you want. I have a few 3D designs here. And to make a new design, you press this button over here and you press create new design. So it's creating this design. It always just gives you a random name, so I'm just gonna rename it. It's not an Arduino tutorial. 3D design tutorial, and I am going to start adding stuff. You can add like this own scribble feature, a sphere, a roof, a cone, a lot of different shapes. You can even add a few components. We can add an Arduino, we can add a breadboard. So if I add an Arduino and I just add a breadboard small, then I can do this, and then I can just add an LED here. And then I can start adding an encasing around it. And we can just go back to basic shapes and we can add a box. You press here. And to move around, we can do this. You see this cube right here? You can just drag it to move. And then here what we can do is we can raise it by pressing this kind of like a cone. We can just make it go up, drag it, make it thinner, maybe like that. And that's a little far from where I want it. I could put it there. We can do this. We can add, like, you can just make it longer, a little bit wider on both sides. And there we have like a tiny encasing. We can do a radius, see where you can just experiment around with it. If you want it to be kind of curved, if you want it to be more boxy, you can have these. I'm not sure what it makes it kind of like more, it's hard to explain. And with here you can make it lengthier, you can make it thinner. I'll keep it like this. And then you can add more width, or you can add some height. So, and then here we can just add another box. We can move it around, make it a little bit higher, go back here, and then do this. Pull it down a little bit by doing, maybe I could just do, let's see, yeah, maybe we could do this, and we can drag it up, and then you can just play around with these ideas. You can make a lot of different stuff. You can make some glasses, you can make a face mask, you can make a lot of things with this. Like you can make a house kind of, you can make a ball, like a soccer ball maybe, or a basketball. You can do a lot of stuff. You could just play around with this, see what you like, see what you don't like. You can change the color here. I can make it pink, I can make it red, I can make it blue. You can do a lot of things with this. So you could just play around, do what you want. And this is going to be a part of a new tutorial series about 3D printing and 3D designing. There are much more frameworks you can use, but this, in my opinion, is the most simple one. You can make projects, you can just do a lot of stuff. So please, if you would like to see more tutorials, hit that like button because I've heard over the years so many people are clicking on it that it's built a resistance because it gets annoyed whenever you hit it. So why don't you just annoy the subscribe button a little bit and hit it. Also hit the like button because that just makes it even more annoyed. So YouTube more annoyed. So thank you for your time and I hope you enjoyed. Bye.